As you shall recall, we had met last time sometimes in the middle of October, and that was our 21st meeting of the group of ministers. Today is our 22nd meeting of the group of ministers. We have almost reached the fag end of 2020, and you shall all recall that this group was formed by our Honorable Prime Minister in the first week of February, and here in the Health Ministry, our first meeting around the issue of COVID was organized on 8th of January. That was a meeting of the group of experts which was constituted within less than 24 hours of the WHO informing the world through China that some new cases of coronavirus have been detected in China, which are causing some respiratory illness, and they had labeled them as a new type of coronavirus. So, for us, on 8th of January in this ministry, we shall be completing almost complete one full year fighting against COVID. So before I start the meeting, I would like to thank all of you, in particular our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has provided us exemplary leadership throughout the last 1 year, leading from the front, monitoring everything very meticulously, and even now when we are into the phase of vaccine development, he is himself visiting each and every laboratory in the country where the vaccine production is going to happen. Throughout, he has involved the whole government in helping the health ministry fight out COVID, and it is because of the exemplary leadership provided by him and the support given by all the departments of the government that India is in a position where we can safely say that we have performed much better than most of the countries of the world, including the developed world. You all know that last time when we met, we were around those 10 lakh active cases, and now when we are meeting today, we are around 3 lakh active cases. Our cases per million, our deaths per million, our tests per million, everything remains very commendably comparable to the rest of the world in a better terms. And today, again, I have to reiterate that our journey, which started from one lab, today when I am talking to you in our 22nd meeting, we have already gone up to 2,264 laboratories in the country where we are doing these RT-PCR and the other antigen test. That is the latest figure of the morning, and rest of the history you are all very well aware. You have all been involved in the creation of this history. You are all part of the success of this history, and we are all hoping very sincerely now that the efforts that our scientists have put in during the last couple of months, and of course the efforts that have been put in by our expert group members and our honorable ministers and everybody at the level of the cabinet secretariat, prime minister's office, including the prime minister. I think they are all going to yield us rich dividends now in 2021. The whole country is very anxiously waiting for the vaccine to be delivered and to be given to the people of India. So, once again, thanks all of you. I don't want to get into the details of all those things in the introduction because they will all be elaborated in detail by my senior colleagues. As every time we'll have at least two presentations today. The first presentation will be from the Director of National Center for Disease Control, Dr. Sujit Singh, who has already joined us virtually. And we all know that the Center for Disease Control has done an extraordinarily exemplary, shown an extraordinarily exemplary performance during the whole year, supervising community surveillance, testing, and so many things they have done along with ICMR and other agencies. And another presentation will be from our chairman of the National Expert Group, which was formed for working on the nitty-gritty of the vaccine administration strategy, which is again led by Dr. V.K. Paul, our member of the Niti Aayog, and co-chaired by our Union Health Secretary with very distinguished members in the committee. So there will be these two presentations today, and I have to also welcome here in my room three of my senior colleague ministers who are present here physically with me. Dr. S. Jaishankar ji, our Foreign Minister, Shri Hardeep Singh Puri ji, our Honorable Minister for Civil Aviation and other departments, and Shri Nityanand Rai ji, representing our Home Ministry, our senior colleague in the Home Ministry, and others are joining us virtually from different places. Also I have to welcome all the senior officers of the government who are part of this group of ministers. You have all been so active, so energetic. We are extremely grateful. It's really beyond my vocabulary to express my sense of gratitude for all of you, because when we look back, it is all because of your wholehearted, committed, dedicated support that we could fight out COVID in 2020. And we are only wishing and praying that 2021, apart from the fact that we are planning to give vaccine to almost 30 crore people, we will be able to get rid of this virus as best as possible. So with these opening remarks, once again thanking all of you, I'll straight away go to the first presentation and request Dr. Sujit Singh, our our director of the Center for Disease Control, National Center for Disease Control, to apprise the honorable members about the latest situation around COVID that we face in the third week of December 2020.